Okay, we have a rendered site plan, and now I'm ready to make a site section. And I'm going to draw my site section through the fountain, kind of parallel to Penn Station over here. And this is going to be something that we kind of ballpark. I've drawn this line on a new layer. I call it the layer section. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set up for an export. Um, I'm going to put some things in place that are to scale. And the easiest way to do this is to use a pretty simple metric. So right now, 1 inch equals 50 feet. In order to get a scaled drawing, you basically divide by 2. So what that means is if I've got this tree right here and I'm drawing a tree parallel here, I want the tree, let's say I want the tree to be 20 feet. Let's make it 30 feet. 30 feet in reality. I want that tree to be, if 50 feet equals 1 inch, 30 divided by 50 is 0.6. So that's 50, or pardon me, 0.6 of an inch. So I want this line to be 0.6. It doesn't really work unless I've got it at a parallel. So I'm going to just kind of set myself up a little bit here. My fountain, my fountain's going to be not very tall. So I'm just sort of like there, say it wants to be parallel. So I'm just kind of drawing some rectangles that are about the right size. And it doesn't matter right now what the line weight is. We can fix this as we go. But I'm gonna copy and paste this. And make, that's my paved area. And then I've got the fountain, which is right here, kind of in the middle there. And then I'm just basically copying and pasting. Oops. I'm gonna copy, paste. There we go. And just kind of like put these where they intersect. I'm also going to just sort of set up this building. Um, and I'm going to also set up, oops, sorry about that, the edge of this rain garden. And we'll do, this is not going to be very tall. And we'll get some figures in there to make sense of it. But the rain garden is sort of at this right there. And then this is the street, and this street kind of comes down. And all right, so we're pretty much set up. This is the edge of the bridge. So this is going to come down more. And this is also a bridge. So this will be that same. And we'll fix this in just a second. But this whole thing is a bridge. Okay, so that's a really crude section. And then what we'll do is we will set this up. I'm going to make a new artboard. And we will set this up for success. So We're gonna move this over and make it, oops, make that a group. I just made it into a group by Control G, and then I'm gonna tilt this so that it's parallel. And I might actually, so if I grab up here and bring this down, this will give me a ruler. And then I can make sure that this is parallel. And that'll set us up for success. So now we've got just like a really basic light section